Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22, Excel, chapter 2, ML1 Katherine Coffee Shop Weekly Payroll. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are given on my PC screen. Make deal with me through contact my WhatsApp and email. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it by step. Okay. Start Excel. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download the Excel file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel file from IT Lab dashboard. Okay, you can see my Excel workbook. You can download your Excel workbook from your IT Lab dashboard. Okay, done this step now. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that use if function to calculate the regular pay and overtime pay in column G and F based on the regular 40 hours worksheet. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute or mixed cell references. Pay overtime only the overtime hours. Not employees receive 1.5 their hourly wage for every time hours worked. Calculate the gross pay in cell G5 based on the regular. Go to the Excel workbook, click on cell E5. We will have to enter a formula cell in E5. We will use a function, then horse work less than is equal to base work hours. Okay, enter dollar sign. Commas horse work and base work hours, enter dollar sign. Multiplying by all the wage, then press enter. Okay, it will be find regular pay 444,000. Okay, you can see here it will be find regular pay. I have done this step now. Now moving on step number, calculate the gross pay in cell G5. Okay, now F5 and G5. We will find the overpay in F5 and gross pay in G5. Enter formula if statement, hours work less than is equal to less than base work enter dollar sign into horse work, then base work hours, enter dollar sign. Then press, then multiplying by hourly wage, then press enter. Press, then multiplying by overtime rate, enter dollar sign, in this. Okay, 0, then press enter. Okay, it will be find overtime pay in cell F5 82.5. It will be fine. Then calculate the gross pay in G5 based on the regular and overtime pay. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, click on cell G5. Okay, apply accounting format on this cell F5 and use fill handle to copy the formula F5 to F17. Now we will have to enter a formula and set G5 is equal to, we will have to enter a formula, regular pay based on regular pay and overtime pay. Okay, then press enter. Okay, it will be found on gross pay. You can see here it will be fine. Use fill under to formula G5 to G16. Okay, I have done 2 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 3, you can see it 2 steps is completed now. Now step number 3 is that create a formula in cell H5 to calculate the taxable pay, multiplying the number of dependents by the deduction per dependent and subtract from the gross pay. With 2 dependents, Spencer taxable pay is $422.50. Okay, basically in this step we will have to create a formula in cell H5. Go to example, click on H5. We will have to enter a formula in cell H5. Gross pay, subtract from number of dependents from gross pay. Okay, multiplying by base, multiplying by deduction of, okay, you can see into dollar sign. Okay, to define taxable pay in cell H5. We now use fill handle to the formula H5 to H16. It will be fine. You can see here. Now click on cell I5. Okay, step number 3 is done now. Now moving on to step number 4. Step number 3 is completed now. Now moving on to step number 4. Okay, step number 4 is that insert a VLOOKUP function in cell I5 to identify and calculate the federal withholding tax with a taxable pay of $422.50 pence. Tax rate is 25% with the holding tax rate 105.63. The VLOOKUP function returns the applicable tax rate, which you must then multiply the taxable pay. Basically, in this step we will have to enter formula in cell I5. We will have enter function VLOOKUP I5. We will have to enter a function VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP. Okay. Then taxable pay and base work hours into dollar sign, shift plus 4, then it's really into dollar sign. Okay, go to the Ch02 to E28, D24 to E28 and 2, then this is formula. You can see here I am putting the formula in cell I5. You can see your formula. You will solve your assignment very easy to see this formula and you will got your value in cell I5. Okay, then press enter. It will be fine, multiplying by H5. Okay, it will be show in cell I5 this value federal tax. You can see now use fill under to formula to the VI16. Okay, now we will find FICA. I have done this step. Now moving on next step. This step is completed now. Okay, I have done 4th step of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 5. Step number 5 is that calculate the FICA in cell J5 based on the gross pay and the FICA rate and calculate the net pay in cell K5. Copy the formula down their respective columns. Be sure the preserve the existing formatting in the document. Based on the horse Spencer work, he paid $39.97 to FICA and had weekly net pay. Go to the exit variable. We will have to enter a formula in cell J5. Okay, we will have to enter a formula in cell J5. Gross pay multiplying by FICA rate. You can share enter dollar sign on B26. For dollar sign blank, press shift, press F4, press 4, sorry, shift plus 4, control plus 4, shift plus 4. Okay, it will be fine. 39.97 use cylinder and to the ending of this column. Okay, I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 6. Step number 6 is that use quick analysis tools to calculate the total regular pay, overtime pay, gross pay, taxable pay with holding tax, fee and net pay on 017th. Must be complete the auto sum feature to the ribbons. Okay, use quick analysis. We will basically in this step we will have to use quick analysis. Okay, regular pay, quick analysis on regular pay. Analysis to calculate the total regular pay, we will have to select the column regular pay, select the value B52, E52, E60, then right click totals sum. Okay, regular pay, sum of regular pay will be shows here. Now column B, click on right click totals sum. Okay, overtime pay, it will be fine. Gross pay, right click on this and totals and then sum. Okay, it is already date here. Okay, it will be fine. Select column, right click, go to totals, then sum. Okay, all values will be found here. Right click, totals, sum. Okay. Then select this columns, right click, totals, sums. Okay, you will be find all sums, all totals values in here. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and on my PC screen. Make it with me. I will provide you a plus grade in your assignment in your course. Thanks you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.